Hey you guys, it's me. I am back, and as you can see, my hair is straightened. I went to Groovy. This is their card. Or the stylist that I went to, this is her card. Her name is Denese, and I was referred to her by my sister's best friend. So my graduation is on Saturday, so I wanted to wear my hair straight to fit under my cap. Let me see. Can y'all see this is the length of the back. The back is, this part is much shorter, or longer than the rest of my hair. Okay, and then this side, the front, and then the other side. So, I got hair everywhere. I just did, it was a wash, a steam, condition, a trim, and then to straighten it. Altogether, it would have been $95, but I have my student ID. So it was an extra $15 off. If you go Monday through Thursday, you get $15 off if you're a student. And as well, since I was new, I could have gotten, if I wasn't a student, then I could have gotten $10 off for being a first-time client or customer, whatever. So it was really quick, much quicker than, you know, back when I had a perm. It took like forever and a day. You put the perm in, they wash it out, they would wrap you. You sit under the dryer for like an hour, and then they would take it down, and then you would sit back under the dryer sometimes to get that middle part, you know. Yeah, it took probably, like, my appointment was at 11. I got there at 10:45 or so. And I was out there by 12:15 maybe. 12:15, 12:30, I don't know. But you can sort of kind of, you know, I dyed my hair red, just for a tint, so you can sort of kind of see it. But of course, since she washed my hair and conditioned it, some of the color came out. So it more so now looks like a rust color, I guess, like a rusty tint. Was actually closer to my natural hair color, which is like a dusty brown, a sandy brown. Anyways, that's not what I'm talking about. So she flat ironed my hair. I had it really curly, but because when I left, I went to go have lunch with my sister nearby. She works 5-10 minutes away from to Groovy. So by the time I walked across the street, it fell. But I mean, it's still really nice. My husband likes it. I really like it. It was weird seeing my hair. You see, I keep looking at myself in the mirror. It was weird seeing and feeling how light my hair is, because I'm so used to my fro and my curls. And for when I touch my hair, I'm used to there being some type of, you know, texture, some mass to it. So when she was blow drying my hair, which she did on a low setting, or low speed, medium heat, I want to say. What was I saying? I don't remember. Blow drying. Okay, so she blow dried. She blow dried it on medium heat, low setting. My hair dried really fast. Faster than I thought, but I mean, even when I was relaxed, my hair dried really fast. What else? She did a thorough trim, and when she did my trim, I hadn't had a trim since I cut my hair, and I guess that little piece that I had trimmed that long while ago. So yeah, I hadn't had an official trim. And I don't think when I went to Urban Bella a while back, I didn't have her trim my hair, trim my ends. So, yeah, and she said there wasn't a lot of, you know, it wasn't as bad as I thought. So that's good. It's so weird. Like, I looked at myself in the mirror and it was like two totally different people. I kind of feel like I look my age, maybe a little bit older. I look 26 as opposed to when I put my puff, I don't really look like I'm 26. But yeah, I think I look my age, maybe a little bit, a year or two older. I don't know. My husband likes it, so he was like, yeah, I might have to give you an allowance to make sure we keep that up, because he really likes to see my hair straight. Mind you, the last time he saw my hair straight was 2010. Yeah, 2010 when he was home for Christmas. So it's been a minute. But yeah, other than that, she said my hair is healthy, my scalp is healthy. I do think I would want to go back. Oh, I didn't bring the thing. But if you go to their website, togroovy.net, they have hair care plans for naturals that want to stay straight and naturals that want to keep their texture. Which I think is awesome. So they have a monthly, I guess, subscription or a monthly plan, a bi-weekly plan or semi-monthly plan, which is every 2 weeks, or a weekly plan for either of those type of naturals. So I think that's really awesome. And they also service relaxed hair people as well. But yeah, other than that, like, they were really nice. They offered, you know, drinks. They had a cucumber water, which is water with just cucumber in it. Tea, coffee. You know, they kept coming around asking if you wanted anything to drink, which was really nice. But I was straight. Yeah. I think that's it. So I will post pictures after this. Yeah. It's so crazy, but I love it. I can't wait for graduation on Saturday. I'm thinking I will wrap it tonight, and then Friday night maybe I should put flexi rods tonight. But I need to figure that out if I'm gonna do it tonight or Friday night, because I have two. Because I know I have 4 or 5 flexi rods that my sister had, and I just still have them. I need to figure it out because I probably need to go purchase them. And I really don't want to go to Sally's to purchase them because they're expensive at Sally's. Or I think I might have one of their weekly things. Anyways, if not tonight, then I'll go tomorrow morning and figure that out. Anywho, that is it. I can't keep my hands out my hair, so I'm trying my best not to put my hands in my hair. Okay, so that's it, y'all. If y'all have any questions, just let me know. Comment below. And I will talk to you good people. Oh, stay tuned for pictures at the end. Before and after. Alright, I'll talk to you good people later. Peace.